Chuppity, chuppity, chup. Here comes the Toyland train, and it's very full today. I can see Noddy and Big Ears in it, and the golden-haired doll, and there's Mr. Jumbo too, and Mr. Tuppy Bear. Now it's stopped at a station, and out get 2 squeaking mice, and a clockwork sailor doll. Clickety-click he goes as he walks along. We're off again, chuppity, chuppity, chup. Noddy is rather squashed. Move up, he says to Mr. Jumbo. You take up too much room. So Mr. Jumbo moves up, but now he squashes Mr. Tubby Bear and makes him growl. Look, look, here's Gollywog Town, calls Noddy as the train passes through. And here's Humming Top Village, says Big Ears. I can hear the biggest tops humming loudly. On puffs the Toyland train. Now, here we are at the station again. The train has stopped, clankety-clank. Out get the pink cat and a wooden soldier. Meow, you're treading on my tail, soldier, says the pink cat. Don't leave it about, then, says the soldier, marching off. Left, right. There goes the whistle. We're off again. Ooh, here's a tunnel, very black and dark. Big Ears and Brighton, hold my hand, said Noddy. But Jumbo the elephant takes hold of his hand with his trunk and makes Noddy squeal. Oh, what's this? Now they're out of the tunnel and into the sunshine again. Away they go, chuppity-chup. Goodbye, little train. Have a good time on your journey.
Isn't it fun when the Toyland train goes hopping and popping along?